मतलब क्या कुछ गलत हाथ डाले दूसरे जा रहा है भाई, दूसरे बोल रहा है। दूसरे जा रहा है मतलब इन्होंने
ए कौन है ये? कौन चिल्ला
यार तो
रहा
आगे
है? चुप!
खड़ा ना पहले जाके। अरे भाई चुप
ए चिल्ला मत! अरे आ जाओ आगे।
ये संजीव कैमरा नीचे कर,
अरे देखना मेरे आगे से कोई।
नीचे कर कैमरा।
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Karan Johar and Ms. Guneet Monga Kapoor. The stage is all yours. Hello, hello, hello. And I think Komal said it right that we all walking in these red jumpers is like an overkill. I like that joke. It was funny. Komal hitting it out of the park. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here with us today. Welcome to the trailer launch event of a very, very, very special film to us, Kill. We are so thrilled and absolutely excited to be sharing the world of Kill with you, all of you, finally. Let's rewind and take a look at where this journey began.
So I think in 2020 is when our prolific director, Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt, began writing the script. It was during COVID times, inspired by true stories of dacoits invading trains in India to loot cash and jewelry. Fast forward to shoot, taking place right after the lockdown got lifted and leading to Dharma and Sikhya coming together again for another adventure post our last stint, which was the Lunchbox.
Yes, 11 years ago.
Yes.
Kill is a first of its kind genre film for the Indian film fraternity, often dubbed as the most violent film made in India by those who experienced it at various film festivals. The direction and production team heavily invested in ensuring the film delivers an action-packed close combat train ride, hoping to make each action sequence more claustrophobic and more captivating than the last.
The film premiered at the Toronto International Film Festival at the midnight section in September 2013. And there we won the People's Choice Award, and the film opened to rave reviews across the board. Along with that, we premiered at the Fantastic Film Festival, Beyond Fest, Sitges, Red Sea International Film Festival, basically all the genre film festivals. And we are actually premiering at Tribeca International Film Festival, and our premiere is tomorrow. We are in New York, so we literally go there tonight. And followed by IFLA at Los Angeles.
In addition to that, it garnered rave reviews. Please allow Guneet and me to share a few to show you just how unprepared you might be to witness what you will today. Variety commented saying, even John Wick gives you some respite. This is relentless.
This is destined to become a cult classic by Collider.
A new landmark in action cinema by The Film Stage.
And not to forget, in our back home, our very own friend Anurag Kashyap, he said that Kill has raised the bar very high for action films in India, and it's the best action film he has seen coming from India ever.
And many more from the audiences who sat, witnessed, and relished the pure gore that was unleashed in this 100-minute of a film. Kill is one of the first Indian films to have the widest release in North America, with over 1,000 screens by the prestigious and renowned studio Lionsgate, providing an unprecedented screen distribution beyond that were allotted to major action flicks from India. A film of this scale is not just releasing in North America, but also around the world, from the Middle East to Japan, from America to Australia, Russia, Azerbaijan, Saudi Arabia, Latin America, Mexico, and many, many more European countries.
So for our US rights were acquired by Lionsgate. Lionsgate is known as the house as a house for some of the best action films, from John Wick to Finland's breakout Sisu. Kill from India happens to be their latest addition to their massive, incredible library of action films. While you'll meet the cast and few faces behind the film, truly this has been an army that has come together to achieve what we have today known as Kill, and we would like to extend our warmest gratitude and love to all their hard work.
And including notable members of the crew such as Mr. O, known for his action direction. Mr. O. And prolific in everything that he has achieved in his illustrious career, known for his action direction for landmark films such as The Avengers, Snowpiercer, Our Very Own War, and many, many, many more. We're extremely delighted that he could join us today to witness our trailer launch. This is so special to all of us, and I'm sure to the actors who worked under his baton.
Now I'll just give you some fun facts. So here is just one for the team, for everybody here. The kill count in the screenplay is exceeding 40, which is a rarity for a film that is based in a compact and a restricted setting, such as a train. The production required close to 150 liters of fake blood to accommodate all the intense action. Definitely, this film has been made with a lot of blood and sweat.
Honestly, I mean, for all of you who are used to who have seen my trajectory as a filmmaker, where the only action I've had in my film has been a tight slap, this is really, truly a very, very different experience. I remember covering my eyes every time there was a kill on the screen, but I let the audience decide just how gory we can get. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for bearing with us and hearing us through our journey of Kill. And now we're absolutely ready to show the world that today it's a worldwide launch of our trailer, of our film Kill, that releases in North America on the 4th of July and in India on the 5th of July.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Guneet. Thank you, Karan sir. Yes, it's time to take a look at the trailer now, ladies and gentlemen. All eyes on the big screen. Johar, one of the most respected filmmakers of our nation, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Karan sir. Please, aye. Also, along with him, ladies and gentlemen, she definitely knows unki audience ko kya chahiye. Give it up for Miss Guneet Monga Kapoor, the producer sahiba. Mr. Apurva Mehta, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Sikya se Mr. Achin Jain is here hamare saath. And of course, the man who's distributing this pure desh mein har kisi tak pahunchayenge. AA Film se Mr. Anil Thadani, ladies and gentlemen. And now, the man jinse mera sirf ek hi sawal hai, is he still allowed on trains? Ladies and gentlemen, the director sahab, give it up for Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt sahab. Guneet, please, aaiye. The stage is all yours. Karan sir, please. You know, I think that's it, right? That's it? No? No? Okay.
No, I'm going to take that from you, if I may.
Please, sir. Please, all yours.
So like Guneet and I came on stage. Please, come. Let everyone come.
Anil sir, please.
Guneet and I still remember the meeting we had at the Dharma office, right next door actually, where there was Nikhil, this bright, maverick filmmaker who looks so shant. that you don't know what the hell must be going on in that head, because he looks like, ये बिल्कुल एकदम इनकी जो पर्सनालिटी ऐसा लगता है कि ये मक्खी भी नहीं मार पाएंगे, लेकिन ये पिक्चर बना रखी है, इनके जहन में ख्याल में ऐसे ख्याल आते हैं, खून भरे ख्याल. So I would say that was itself something that blew my mind, because I saw the contrast. He gave me such a zen narration of this manic bloodbath. And I was like, भगवान बचाओ, ये पिक्चर धर्मा प्रोडक्शन ने तो कभी नहीं बनाई. I think we haven't made something this bloody ever. But I was just bowled over by his narration, his conviction and his passion in which he narrated it. Guneet has been a dear friend, and we've collaborated on a totally different film. Lunchbox is probably the opposite of Kill. It's full of love and just subtle nuance moments. But I remember that day, and it was something that I will always remember. And the fact that this film, and I have to thank Apurva, who allowed me to actually say, let's go ahead, let's make this ambitious film on a first-time actor. And who is, I'm going to say it loud, an outsider. Because my father once said, it's your trumpet, if you don't blow it, who else will? So I'm just in his Naksha Kadam, I'm kind of taking things forward. I've heard a lot, and I've endured it also over the years, but I want to say that the biggest film that we have mounted on one newcomer has been Kill, and we are very excited and proud because we saw the passion in him. We saw the immense hard work that he was going to put in. And so we're very proud of you, Laksh. You're here. So, and I'm going to call all of you together, but I just wanted to say that we're very excited to have actually taken this big step. And at that time, it was really because this film wasn't funded by any other studio. It was entirely backed by Dharma Productions, and we decided that we must take this leap because we would love if the industry got one potential movie star. We say potential because we are with folded hands, hoping and praying that the best outcome happens on the 5th of July. We then had the most unusual antagonist casting. I've known Raghav since his foray with reality television. For people who have known my career, I've probably spent more hours on a reality show set than I have on a film set. But I've always seen him kind of lead the way with such finesse. And then for him to play this, which is so against what he has done on television and on screen, it was a massive, and kudos to actually Nikhil, who actually really supported the vision to cast Raghav in such an against his own image casting. And we, of course, needed an absolute beauty with immense vulnerability. And I had loved everything that Tanya had done in Suitable Boy and everything she's done subsequently. And we just thought that this would be the perfect, I'm going to call it a triangle, though when you see the film, it's certainly not. But hi, Umar. How are you? Long time. So I'm really happy and I'm very proud. Both Guneet and I and Apurva and Achin and Nikhil and Anil, all of us on this platform are very proud to introduce to you the cast of Kill. Laksh, Raghav and Tanya.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Laksh. Raghav, Tanya, welcome.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
कौन
Thank
बोल
you.
रहा है? Oh,
Ji,
hi.
please. Hi.
All right, so I know we have a lot of questions, लेकिन उससे पहले लक्ष्य quickly, इंडस्ट्री में जो आना चाहता है उसका लक्ष्य होता है धर्मा, और यहाँ पे आते ही the ball is out of the park. You're working with Karan Johar, you're working with Guneet Monga, and this amazing crew here. What do you have to say?
Firstly, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. I've expressed my gratitude to both of them in person as well. My legs are still trembling, sorry. I'm still a little nervous to see so many people. Or the trailer.
क्या बात है, बच्चा भी किल देखने
बच्चा भी किल देख के काफी enjoy किया, it seems like. But it's been 9 साल हो गए मेरे को बॉम्बे आए हुए, और मेरा सपना था कि एक दिन फिल्म स्टार बनूंगा और धर्मा के साथ बनूंगा. तो 9 साल लग गए उस चीज़ को होते होते, लेकिन वो एक दिन आ ही गया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू Karan sir, Purva sir, and the whole of Dharma for always standing by me, always supporting me. I've had quite a journey in Dharma itself. So throughout they were with me, and also like Guneet ma'am. Back in when Lunchbox came out for the first time, मैंने उनको DM किया था Instagram के ऊपर, मुझे याद है अच्छे से कि मैम अगर हो सके तो कुछ मौका मिलेगा तो मैं काम करना चाहूँगा आपके साथ एक ना एक दिन, because it was such a fantastic film these guys made. उसके बाद yeah, it all happened यार, सब कुछ हो गया, अच्छा हो गया, और शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लाने की, लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ कुछ. शुक्रगुजार हूँ ऊपर वाले का, शुक्रगुजार हूँ उन सब मारुति लोगों का, बड़े बड़े लोगों का. और निखिल सर, ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन वी मेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, हमारी जब पहली बार नरेशन हुई थी इस फिल्म को लेके, तो मेरा पहला सवाल यही था कि सर इसकी शुरुआत हम कब कर सकते हैं. और मैंने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा कि ये फिल्म में क्या है, कब है. मैंने पूछा कि मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ ना, हम ये कर रहे हैं ना. कह रहे हैं वो बाद में देखेंगे, अभी बात की बात है. सो रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, और बस यही बोल सकता हूँ मैं अभी.
करण सर बहुत अच्छा करते हैं जब वो बोलते हैं हाँ, तो मैं कह देता हूं उनके behalf पे वेलकम टू द मूवीज.
थैंक यू.
Give it up for Laksh, ladies and gentlemen. Tanya, this one's for you. You know, working with this team, of course, the dream team. आपके कुछ सवाल थे जो पूछे थे डायरेक्टर साहब से या इस टीम से?
No, not really, because I remember auditioning for the part, and उसके बाद जब मैंने script पढ़ी थी, I was like, what is this madness? And immediately after reading the script, I was like, okay, when are we starting? So it was that. So not really any questions, but just very, very thankful to the entire team for making me a part of it.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
I have to
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that the entire action was written in the script. So it's not like ऐसे हो जाएगा वो कर लेंगे, because I think Nikhil went into this detailed journey of एक train के compartment में आप एक 100 minute की picture and उतना action, how to make that happen. So the entire action was written, and of course the collaboration with Mr. O took the choreography to another level, which has now become a global action film. But it was an incredible script for all of us to also read, because of the action that was imagined and written and used in that compact space. That was a huge challenge.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Raghav, this one's for you. Talk to us about this team and this entire experience. और राक्षस हो क्या? वो तो मतलब feel ही आ गया वहाँ पे.
हाँ यार, बात तो वैसे सही है. यार मैं तो बैक डांसर बनने आया था यहाँ, तो मेरा तो सब बोनस ही बोनस चल रहा है इस वक्त. देखा जाए तो मैं आया था ट्रेन पकड़ के, मेरे को 13 साल हो गए हैं. मुझे भी सर ने बोला कि मुझे काफ़ी वक्त से सर जानते हैं. अच्छा, मतलब मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म
मेरे साथ क्या?
तो मतलब मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म हुआ है क्योंकि आप मेरे को जानते हो. नहीं. बट यस, मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मैं एज एन एक्टर अपने आप को लोगों को दिखा सकूं, बता सकूं कि मैं भी हूं और एक्ट कर सकता हूं. हालांकि मैंने डांस भी किया है, कोरियोग्राफ भी किया है, होस्ट भी किया है. अब ये नया अनुभव है, ये बस एक अनुभव ऐसा भी. आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस प्रोसेस. ये फ्लो में हूँ अभी मैं. एंड थैंक यू सर, एंड थैंक यू गुनीत की एंड सर की, आपने निखिल सर की मुझे भरोसा किया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, और सिर्फ डांस और होस्टिंग और इन सब के अलावा एक्टिंग भी कर सकता हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और बस यार यही है.
Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां राघव के लिए, ladies and gentlemen. निखिल सर, मेरे पास सवाल बड़े सारे हैं, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ पे मौका दे देता हूँ सबको, because they want to ask you a lot of things about Kill and of course this entire team. So yes, over to you. कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला सवाल? जी. You have a mic? Good. Wait out.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, come.
My question is to you, Lakshya. Samina here from Zoom. Ever since this debate has started of nepotism, और उसमें आपको एक lead role दिया गया है, and you're just the one who's killing it right now, as the movie states. Many a times, such a humongous contribution we don't see when a new face is launched. What are your thoughts on that, and being launched as a newcomer?
So to begin with, as you said that outsider, I think probably on a piece of paper you can write I'm an outsider, but I never felt like an outsider in this company. As I'm sure you are aware of the first film that didn't work out for me, and after that also I never felt that this company or this team has ever let go of the support they showed to me from the very beginning. And so I see the amount of time and the efforts everybody has put in me, and it puts me in a little bit of position of pressure. But I mean, I can do. I'm trying my best. Utterly grateful for what they've done for me, and I don't feel like an outsider, to be honest. I've always felt that they have got my back and they're always there. And when Kill also happened, like it just happened. I just got the script and they were like, you read the script. And when I read the script, and of course Nikhil also quite liked me for the part, and it all panned out pretty well for me. And when I think Apurva sir came for the first time to see what we were shooting, and when he saw some rushes, and he just came to me and he said, "Bless you, son." He said, "Bless you," and that's what he said. And I think we were halfway through the film when Karan sir came and watched the film, and I think Nikhil sir and we were standing outside the set, just like two kids waiting for the teacher to come out and tell us how we have done in the exams. Cut to, I look at him and he's like, "Wow, what is this?" And Nikhil sir and we just hugged each other and we are like, "Okay, we are home now. We have done something good." So yeah, that's about it.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, fantastic trailer, killer trailer. My question, मेरा question लक्ष्य से है. लक्ष्य, आप सीरियल्स में भी काम कर चुके हैं और आपकी जो ये जर्नी है बहुत इमोशनल रही होगी, क्योंकि आपकी फिल्म का जो ट्रेलर है मैसिव है और आपकी ये फिल्म भी मैसिव है. तो ये जर्नी कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है, कितनी इमोशनल है आपके लिए, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें.
जर्नी बहुत ही स्पेशल है. मुझे अभी भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि ये सब हो रहा है मेरे आसपास. इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. एज यू राइटली सेड कि टीवी में मैंने 6 साल काम किया है और बहुत कुछ सीखा है टीवी से भी. बट अल्टीमेटली गोल यही था कि एक दिन फिल्मों में आना है, फिल्म स्टार बनना है. तो आज जब ये सब मुकम्मल हो गया, ये सब मेरी आंखों के सामने हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि यार ये हो भी रहा है. मतलब somebody should come and pinch me and tell me that wake up, it's a dream. कभी भी it's not a dream. I think it's love you man. चलो कोई नहीं यार, प्यार से जो भी बुलाओ चलेगा. बट हाँ, मैं बयान नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. अगर मैं शायद बहुत नया हूँ यार, मेरे को ये फीलिंग की आदत नहीं है. मुझे ये पता नहीं है कैसा महसूस होता है जब ऐसी कोई चीज़ आपके साथ हो रही होती है. आई थिंक मैं ऑलमोस्ट आई क्राइड ओवर देयर एंड मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि अच्छा वो दिस इज हाउ इट फील्स लाइक. इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे, मतलब टीवी छोटी स्क्रीन से सीधा इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे इतने सारे लोगों के सामने, और सब आपको काम को पसंद कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत बड़ी फीलिंग है. मेरे पास कोई पर्टिकुलर शब्द नहीं है इसको बयां करने के लिए, लेकिन बस चाहता हूँ कि ये फीलिंग चलती रहे इसके आगे से. मतलब ये कभी जाए ना मेरे अंदर से, और ये बढ़ती है. कीप्स मल्टीप्लाइंग. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.